Hi crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Marissa. I have been so sick, so I haven't been posting anything, and I apologize. I had all the intention to create during Thanksgiving break, and unfortunately my daughter got sick and then I got sick, and I just am getting off the ground right now. It was so bad. Anyways, you guys, this new ScrapDiva Designs drop for December is insane. Oh my gosh, there are 19 dies. They are perfect for Christmas. So we're going to jump in really fast because there's a lot, and I don't know how long my voice will hang on because it comes and goes. I probably sound like a man right now, but anyway, they will be available December 5th on Thursday, I believe, not Friday, Thursday. And you will be able to use our discount codes for the design team members. Don't forget, mwalker10 is mine. You're more than welcome to use it. You don't have to, but you do get 10% off your purchase. Anyways, let's jump in because I have been playing with them. I got them on, gosh, I can't remember what day I got them, and started cutting that night and then woke up super sick. Worse than I was already. Anyways, this first one is so freaking cool. I love it. She has had made one before that was like a wine bottle or just a bottle tag. And this one is actually like a longer tag. And so I cut some out. Check this out, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love them. And I also realized that I screwed up this bow that is part of the design, as you can see here. I've already been playing with these, but everybody put it the right way. I did it the wrong way, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm such a dork. So this is supposed to go the opposite way. Oh Lord. Anyways, I did have this little candy cane set done, and this is from the last collection of in November. It's the candy cane box. I love it. This little, just a gingerbread I have in my stash. And this is a ScrapDiva Design flower from her, I think it's called a Poinsettia flower. So these are so good. You'd be perfect for giving, like, my aunts like some wine, so I'm going to give them some Stella Rosa. Okay, they're almost 7.5 inches long, and then about 2 3/4 across. So they're so pretty, and you can do a whole, like, you know, little montage there. And it comes with extra words that say thank you. I just didn't add them. I thought I'd add the bow, but you just put it on your bottle. It's so cute. I love it. And then you have two new bag toppers. You have a large and a small bow. They are so cute. They're number 2 because there is another bow bag topper. I love this one, especially since bows are in this season. It's all the rage right now. If you watch any of social media, like TikTok especially, the bows are in. Look at this, you guys. Oh my God, I love this. So this is going to be a big frame, the Victorian frame that she put out last month or the month before. I can't remember now. Now this one's 7.5 by, across the white is here, it's 5.5. It is so good for a mini album, which I'm going to make a recipe album. I've started it. I'm using the Diana I can't. I'm so tired, you guys. Diana Markham's stamps. How cute is that? And I'm using up the last bit of this paper that I have from a 12 by 12 pad, so I thought it'd be perfect. But I'm gonna do like a craft in pink theme. I think this is gonna be my mini album for next week. I have another one that I'm also gonna share that I didn't have the voice, and then my daughter was sick last week for like 4 or 5 days, so I couldn't get my videos out. I did some embossing back there. I have some Doris, I think that's how you say it, Doris. So cute. I love it. Okay, so that one's a good size, you guys. Then we have this one's a gingerbread mug, and I just love the way this one turned out. Look at this. Oh my God. Now, I've seen people put this at the top here. I just put it down here because I had all the intention of doing like a little drip, and when I glued the eyes down, I forgot to do the drip. Oh, so now, like, the eyes will get covered. So now I'm going to have to go back and cut it a little bit less. That was my goal. Anyways, how cute is this? And it's so big too. It's going to be perfect for an album. So all the way across at the widest is about 5.5. And the height is almost like, what is it? 4 7/8. So cute, you guys. I love it. I've seen a few people add little dresses and stuff. I just wanted to keep it simple for right now. I'm going to put something here. I don't know what. But isn't this cute? I'm going to make this an album as well. It is so good. Then there's the gnome. There's stamps and a die set. And it is big, you guys. It is a big dice. Look at this. If like my entire palm. It's huge. Where's the... So total, it comes with almost 6 inches. That's pretty good size. And then across, I think at the widest, going to be down here. It's almost 3 inches. So that's a good size. And it comes with extra little, like you have a little boot. There's a book. There's the gingerbread. And I can't, oh, there's a snowflake too. So you can do so many different themes. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm not a big gnome person by any means. Like I have 0 gnomes. Like they're not my jam. But this one's cute. And I think this will be so cute for a tag. Like if you wrap your presents like with craft paper or a craft colored bag. And then like you just add this tag. I think that'd be so cute. And you have like, can do, you know, put another white one in the back and then 2 from. I think that'd be such a cute tag. Oh my gosh, that'd be adorable. Adorable. Okay, Mrs. Claus is cute. Now, I don't know that I put her together right. I didn't add all the extra bits, but this is what I came up with. I love it. It's so cute. I colored her hair and I added a little headband with the holly, put her glasses on. I kept the little circles inside to add the eyes there. So cute. Tell me that's not adorable. Now, I don't know if I put this together correctly, so Erica will have to. I'm sure when she does her video, she'll show it maybe. This one's about 5 3/8, and oh, I think her head's like the widest part. It's about 2 1/4, about 2 1/8. So cute, you guys. I am loving these designs. They're so cute. Now this one, I just played with it, and I think I just shared the video. I can't remember. And it is the Santa mini album, I believe. Yeah, Santa mini album. And I had a fun time playing with them. Look at this. So cute. Love it. I decided to not use the face. Like I just wanted to make this the cover of my album. Because I think this is another album. And look at this big old flower. This is the new poinsettia flower. And I did have to add a bunch of foam, as you can see, because I wanted this to stand out. I'm thinking I should have added something down here. But oh wow. So cute. And then we have this guy here, which is a baking tray. And I cut one out and now I don't know what I did with it. So here is a little baking tray. How cute is that? It's adorbs. I've just been cutting and putting them together. I don't have a full project yet, but look at this. It's about 3.5-ish there by almost 2. So it's like 1 7/8. So cute. Tell me this wouldn't be cute with Miss Claus. Oh my gosh, that would be adorable. Okay, and then the snowflake bows. I think you guys have seen these floating around by now. Look at these. Aren't these pretty? I pulled out this blue paper from Michael's that they came out with like 2 years ago. Isn't that so cute? I haven't added a center. I'm looking for some white snowflakes, or blue, I think. I think blue would be pretty. So I got to go find some blue snowflakes. But they're so easy to put together. I mean, you just cut this out, fold them, glue them, and then done. Super quick, you guys. The Christmas words, oh my gosh. You guys, these are so cute. So this one says Santa Baby. There's 2 full sheets of them. I have ho, ho, ho. I know I cut another one out, and I don't know what I did with it. Oh, right here. Candy cane wishes. I love the font, and I love the size of the outer layer. It's so pretty. So there's 1 2 3 4 5, and I think there's another page in here that has like about a few more. So you get a lot, and these are Christmas words 2024. They're so pretty, you guys. Okay, the double stitch arch. This one, I like how versatile it is, because you can either make just the arch die itself, as you can see, or what I did was I decided to make a oh gosh, a card. Good Lord. Oh, here's the other word that I used here. The Dear Santa. But I cut it out. So I have, this is the little, you know, cutout part. I stitched my acetate is what I wanted to do. But I created a shaker. And I used a Diana Markham stamp. How cute is that? Oops, my little sticker there. How cute is that? And then I added these little hollies from the stamp set. And this stamp set is really cool. I have it right here because I was playing with it. It's called Mr. and Miss Claus. Isn't that cute? And he's like a good size, easy to color. And I thought he fit perfectly inside. And then Dear Santa. So now I just can add my, I'm going to do another white sheet in here and stamp the corner with the holly. How cute is that? I love that. And it's so easy to make. You just put your strips of foam across like that and then just lay it down and you have your shaker. How fast and quick and simple. So that's a good set, you guys. Absolutely. Here's a poinsettia set. It's called the large poinsettia. They are huge, you guys. Look at this. They're jumbo. These are just leaves that I had in my stash, by the way. They don't come with the set. But how pretty are those? I'm going to make more. I love the glittered, but I've seen people cut out cardstock and then add glitter to them. So I want to do that. I want to play around with the mixed media. Now, the ones that I haven't played with are this set here. And this is called the banner set. And so you get the banners themselves. Come with two sets. You get the smaller set and there's another set inside that's a little bit larger. So it's two, a small and a medium. And there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different banner size. So it'll be 10 total because you're going to get another large size inside. This one I haven't taken a stab at it yet. I was watching TV and I saw Jen Cassell's video and she made it look kind of easy actually because you're just going to glue all this down like these. You cut them out as many as you need. I think it was 6 sides, and then this is going to be cut out, you know, that same amount, and then you just kind of glue them together. She made it look, oh my god, a chocolate pie with like, you know, I have this snow tech stuff that looks really cool, so I can't wait to try that. And then there's this one's cute. It says enjoy. How cute is that? I want to use that for the wine tags. I want to do that. Like and enjoy the bottle. Okay, you guys, these are coming in clutch. They're card making and box making sets. So you're just going to glue your paper here and it's going to open and close. How cool. So I want to do this for books because I think it'll be perfect to glue one side down onto the spine of a book and then just add your pages here like that. I think it's going to be so good. And look at the different sizes you get. I like that. So good. So you can make your spine what is this? 6, almost 6.5, like 6 1/8. And then this one will be about 3 inches. So that'll be a good sized book. And then look at this. This is the one I want to play with and I haven't. It's called the Bakery House Gift Box. Oh, Gingerbread House, you guys. Absolutely, yes. Let's go. I can't wait to play with this one. And I haven't opened it yet. But I saw somebody, I can't remember who it was that I saw cut one out. I don't know if it was the full project, but this one's 5 1/4 by 4 inches. So it's going to be cute. This could even be a cute card, I think. And then we have these tabs. How cute are these? These are perfect for baking, which I think I'm going to do to add to this set here. Like on my pages, I think I'm going to do that. I think it'll be so cute. And look at all the little utensils, which will be perfect cut out by themselves. The thing I forgot to share are these bows, you guys. Here's the bow bag toppers. I made them and forgot to share at the beginning of the video. But like I said, I put this on back. I wanted to flip this out just because I like the little dimension, but it's actually supposed to go the opposite way. Flip it over. At least that's how I've seen everybody do it. But I've been flicking the corners out, like the little tabs out. How cute is that? Anyways, you guys will want to head over December 5th to ScrapDivaDesigns.com to pick up any of these sets. They'll be available then. And don't forget to use my discount code MWalker10. And thank you guys so much for sticking around. I'm hoping to come back soon. My voice is a little bit better, but I'm still really congested and I get tired easily. Oh, it sucks getting old and sick. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I'll be back soon with some more videos. Bye.